What's going on, boys? Hope your day's going good. You know, another car vlog, another day in the life. Some gentlemen came over to check out my furnace today. Turns out they know nothing about furnaces. They came to rob the place, so we're gonna let them do that as we film in the car. Just kidding, obviously. I wish that was true. That'd be kind of funny. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. First things first, boys, glad to be back. Thank you for joining back. We got another jewelry video. Haven't done it in a little while. I got a little bored of it, but here and there we could sprinkle a little of that shit in, you know? Like that stuff some nice man sprinkled into my drink at the bar the other night. I don't remember anything. Bad joke. Actually, probably a joke you can't even say on YouTube anymore. My bad. Anyway, boys, thumbs up, comment down below if you will. You know, we're not doing as many videos lately, but, you know, I'm just focusing on what I want to do to film. And when I want to film something, I film, and I don't make myself film anymore. This is some shit I want to film, bro. What we're looking at is some jewelry that's the cheapest I've ever seen, bro. Like, obviously on my website we got jewelry that's free, you pay shipping. This was like $2 if I remember correct. We'll get into that in a little bit. Thing is, either this jewelry is gonna look like complete shit or it's gonna be kind of cool. I'm not gonna give you any hints of what it is yet, but I'm in it for the meme. Anyway, thumbs up, comment down below, boys. Now real quick, cause you know, we gotta make a bang. Got a quick word from someone, man. The bird's the word, the coffee's the word, actually. Cup number 7, dry February, man. It's a can't have beers for a month. Don't know who convinced me of that, man. Boys, we got some big news. This video is brought to you by DraftKings Sportsbook, man. An official sports betting partner of the NFL. This is crazy. Now, we got a huge offer for you this week, man. All new customers can get 56-to-1 odds on any football team you choose to win this weekend. Now, here's the thing, man. Bet just $5, and if your team wins, they become victorious, you're gonna get $280 back in sports bets. That's just for $5. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, bro. You guys know I like to buy things. And you know, I think I'm gonna be using this. Is it $5, bro, to potentially that amount of money? Let's go. 280? I mean, all day. Now, don't fret also if Sportsbook isn't available in your state or something like that. You 100% still have something to play for this weekend. Everyone, bro, can play for their share of millions of dollars in total prizes. And that's with DraftKings Daily Fantasy Football Contest. I got it the first time, man. I couldn't even read the damn thing. It was like a tongue twister. It came out beautifully. Anyway, boys, download the DraftKings Sportsbook app right now. Also use code NameBran, and once again, with $5, it could turn into $280 free in bets if your team wins, you know? Now, thank you, DraftKings Sportsbook, an official sports betting partner once again for the NFL. Wow, what an ad, huh, boys? That made me look pretty sick. I've cut ties with all my sponsors, man. Apparently, you can't tell them to f off. It's weird. Anyway, like I was saying, boys, we got a jewelry unboxing. Now, this comes from, where does it come from? Jamaica. Jamaica? What the f? Is this the right f? Oh, Jamaica, New York. Y'all go to Jamaica there? Huh. Seems like a good giveaway. I'll fly one of you guys out to Jamaica. That'll sound sick, and then I'll just fly to New York. A quick scheme of mine in the making. Out loud. That could be good. Win a trip to Jamaica. Yeah. Alright, we'll work that into a mystery box. Anyway, boys, I found this on Etsy. I can't remember if one of you guys sent me this link or if I found it myself, but I saw it once again. It was like $2, maybe $1.99, and the shipping itself was only $5. We added up, it's $6 for diamond jewelry. We got the diamond tester here. I don't think they said it was gonna pass, but we gotta check. Boys, we're getting into the cheapest piece of jewelry I've ever freaking seen, I'm pretty sure. I saw this, I had to buy it, bro. It won't make sense until you see it. Freaking Etsy. Actually, one of the main things I was stoked to see, damn it, okay, was gonna say is how they package this beast. You motherfuckers. See, I knew it was gonna come like this. I saw the pictures on Etsy. For some reason, I thought this can't be true, because this is the biggest sham. I'm all about making money, bro. This is the biggest sham I've ever seen. So I spent my money on it. Boys, what we have here, these guys are genius. I really want to hit them up in the email and invite them to my team that I don't have. I'm a team of one, but I need some schemers like this. Maybe they'll help me sell you guys a trip to Jamaica. Boys, we got a damn engagement ring. I can't remember how I found this. I was searching up, I think I was searching up how to get an engagement ring for my girl on Etsy for cheap. Yeah, that's how I found it. Just kidding. No, boys. Literally, there's no premise to this. I saw this and I had to buy the bitch. What we have here, you know, this might be a silver key ring. Yeah, no, I can't make it better. Boys, we got a damn key ring with what looks like a regular diamond earring in it. Up close review, we've done all walks of jewelry. You know what I mean? I am a little stoned right now. This is maybe why I find this so funny, and I was a little stoned when I bought it. Don't promote. Also, I'm not driving. I'm just in my car outside of my house as it gets robbed. You can't not do a video on it, boys. Oh yeah, we've done jewelry from every type of review. The good stuff, the bad stuff. You see something like this, you gotta show it off. Here's what the fuck we're looking at. Did it need to be a video? No. Did I think it was funny and I should make a video about it? Yes. I gotta put it. It stabs your finger when you put it on. You know, if it didn't have that little part that cuts into your finger, this might actually look kind of sick. The cheapest damn jewelry you're ever gonna see, boys. Shout out to the person who's selling this. I want to know how much money you're making off this, and I want to get some wisdom from you. Boys, maybe not the video you were looking for, but it's like buying the test-jacuzzi. Like, when you see a jacuzzi for your balls on the internet, which we bought, you gotta make a video of it. You see something dumb as fuck like this, you gotta make a video of it. I don't know if you guys heard, too. It's some girl now. I think she used to be on one of these old shows, like 16 and Pregnant or something. I can't remember. Teen Mom. She's now selling poop in a jar. She, like, wipes her ass and then with like a cotton swab and puts it in a jar. I was gonna unbox that for you guys, but I feel like YouTube's not really down with that. We already did the fart in the jar and Selena Gomez panties. Anyway, we're unboxing what the fuck I want to unbox lately, boys, and yeah, we have to check this out. It seemed too good to be true, you know? Like, if you come up with an idea like this, you gotta get credit. And the f***ing... No. Well... God, I was gonna break it. Yeah, we're out of batteries, so we can't even diamond test it, bro. There's an unboxing. Y'all might think this is a stupid video. I just thought it was hilarious. And I'm glad to own this, you know what? You might even see a post on Instagram of me rocking this thing, you know? It's just funny. Bye. That's the video.